Right, hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, we're going to be replacing this detector for this one. So this was water damaged by a leak, and this is all I've got. So panel is powered off. Is the victim of the leak. Not too bad, I've seen much worse damage to the bases, but yeah, I'm still going to replace it just in case. These detectors are sounder built in, and they take up one address. This is a separate sounder base and takes up 2. So I'm going to boost this address up to 50 instead of 30, and then we can have a sound base after it. I'll start by taking the base down. Sorry if this is going to be a bit shaky, it's a bit awkward doing this one-handed. So on the sounder bases base, there's an earth terminal, but it's awful. It's really awkward to get to, and then to format the cables in, so I'm going to be using a terminal block. And reuse the old screws because they're here, but sometimes they can be a pain with bass sounders, because NITTAN bass sounders are an absolute pain to fit. A little key to take it off the bass sounder, off the bass, which I quite like, but it can be a bit annoying. As well, clean the conductors, just in case there's any rust left. There'll always be some left, but any big bits, so you can get that off. This is the new bass. I would say they are better than the Apollo bass sounders to fit, but for cheeky, it's fine. The bass is all wired up. Panels on. Okay, we are on and fault free. So any moment now I'm expecting the fault to pop up of missing address. We can use address 52 and 53 for this device. Okay. Back again, sorry about my hand being a bit shaky. So here's our missing fault, so that's what we'll have to title this device as, and the bass sounder, sorry about that. Right, let's take ourselves to here and we'll get the device on. I want to be able to hear the panel beep if anything goes wrong, so let's get going. Okay, the device is on. Delete that device. Accept. And accept. There we go, that's our devices. It's found everything. I'm going to quickly label the device now. There we go. Done. So the detector, I've not put any device label on it yet. On it itself. Brilliant. There we go. Perfect. Just taking the data from the panel to the PC. Okay. Thank you for watching the video, everyone. I forgot to film an outro to the video, so it sort of ends quite abruptly, but thank you for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and goodbye for now.